Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store server error. The first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggle airplane mode on and off on your device to see if it is a network issue. The second thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Stores to see if it is a corrupted cache. If the problem still persists, head back over to Google Play Store, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen and uninstall all updates on Google Play Store. You may also have to head over to Google Play Services. For that, head over to Apps, scroll down to find Google Play Services, tap on Google Play Services, tap on Storage and Cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Services as well. You can also hit the three lines at the top right of your screen on Google Play Services and uninstall the updates of Google Play Services as well. If the problem still persists, then you may have to remove and re-add your account on your phone. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.